Guys, welcome to King's Crypto Academy. This is Kingsley of the King's Crypto Academy. I'll be teaching you today on how to participate in crypto airdrop, step-to-step guide for beginners. Yes, not just for beginners, even for pro like you who have up to 5-10 apps of airdrop on your phone. You have been receiving airdrop, yet there is no $1 drop to your account. $1 has not dropped to your account, but yet on your airdrop account you have up to $1,500, but yet you don't have $1 drop to your account. This video is right for you. Don't claim that you're a pro. You are not yet a pro in airdrop. You have not made money, real money from airdrop. So listen, this video is basically for you. I'll be showing you different things about airdrop. I'll be showing you types of airdrop. I'll be showing you source where you can find legit airdrop, proven airdrops that have been verified, those who have released airdrop in time past that have make people millions of dollars. And I'll also be showing you airdrop mistakes to avoid. This video, you're going to be seriously learning a whole lot from this video, so stay tuned as I take you through the journey. You're welcome to King's Crypto Academy. This is your #1 crypto academy. All right, you know one thing you need to do for me right now. If you have not hit on the subscribe button, kindly hit on the subscribe button as we journey further. All right, let me show you. Let's go. What is crypto airdrop? Now, see, crypto airdrop is a marketing stunt or strategy that involves sending coins to different wallets in order to promote or create awareness for the new coin. I know some of you have heard a lot about crypto airdrops. You don't even know what crypto airdrop is exactly. You don't even know how it functions. The only thing you know is that you are just tapping, you are tapping. The only thing you know is that you are clicking one link, referring someone, doing this, doing that. You don't even know what airdrop is. So let me show you what airdrop is. Another definition says a crypto airdrop is a marketing strategy where Web3 startups directly deposit digital token into the wallet of active blockchain community member as a gift. Those one might look complicated. You may not even know what Web3 means. You may not even know what a blockchain means. Now let me explain the layman language, or let me use a typical example for you that you can easily relate with. Just imagine they are marketing the new close up. Now that's okay. In we marketing this new close up, all you need to do for us is that help us tell your friend about it. When you tell your friend about it, we will tend to give you more for free. So just help us sell. The more you sell, the more we give you more for free. So refer someone to us. So that's exactly how crypto airdrops is. Crypto airdrop is basically about you marketing a new cryptocurrency. And how do you market it? They ask you, oh, retweet our post, join our Discord, and join our Twitter, and okay, join us on Discord, join our Telegram community. They are increasing their followers in order to market the new token they are about to release. Yeah, token means cryptocurrency, token means coin. That's what I mean by the word token. So now do you get what airdrop means? So that's exactly what's going on right there. The more you are tapping, the more you are increasing their network, the more you are helping them, the more you're helping them widen their scope, the more you join their community, the more you increase their membership, the more you help people believe in it. So guys, this is what airdrop's all about. Now let me tell you some hidden truth about airdrop. These are the 7 hidden truths you may not know about airdrop. I'll be showing you right here. Number 1, airdrops are reward for either loyalty or work done or believe in a blockchain. Yes, don't worry, I'm going to break this down very well. How does people earn airdrop as a result of loyalty? I'll be explaining that when I'm talking about the types of airdrop we have. I'll talk about it right in this video. So they are a reward system for either loyalty or work done. Work done can be simple as, okay, you're helping them retweet their Twitter post, you're helping them what's it called, gain more followers, referring more people to them. Oh, use my link to join. When you use my link to join, you're actually promoting the coin as it's at that moment. Then, or believe in a blockchain. I'm going to show you an example of how people get airdrop by just believing in a blockchain. Number 2, airdrop is completely free. You don't need to make any payment. The only thing to do maybe to perform one task or the other given to you by the blockchain. Some of you have been scammed several times. I remember some times ago in our community when someone actually brought an airdrop. I said, okay, this airdrop, and you are mining the as a matter of fact, you are receiving the airdrop, not mining right now. You are, because there's actually a difference between mining and airdrop. There's what we call crypto mining. It's another system where you can actually earn free cryptocurrency, but we also have what is called crypto airdrop. Don't worry, maybe if I can't explain that in this video, I'll explain it in the next video, or just check my YouTube channel. You'll find a video related to that maybe in the next video. And let me quickly say this: if you have any video you want me to teach you on, or you have something you want me to teach you or teach on as far as cryptocurrency is concerned, just go quickly to the comments below right now, drop the topic there. I promise you I'm going to teach about it. So just go to the comment below, mention, oh, so I want to teach you about this, about that. So mention the comment below. I'm going to ensure our teams are actively working on our channel, so they will bring it up to me and I'm going to teach about it. So Airdrop is completely free. Yes, you heard me clearly. Airdrop is completely free. You don't need to make any payment. You don't need to pay anyone whatsoever. There may be 1 or 2 gas fee to pay when you want to withdraw the airdrop from your wallet, or from your wallet to your to exchange which you want to sell. You may need to pay 1 or 2 gas fee, but that's always minute, very, very minute. Most times it's not even up to $1, maybe $0.5. But when you want to pay a gas fee and they tell you a gas fee is maybe a gas fee is $50, $100, that is what a scam at work. That scammers at work. So avoid such. Airdrop is completely free. I mean free, and it is free. Number 3, most airdrop out there are scams. Yes. 90% of airdrop there are scams. Most times only 1 out of 10 hits the limelight, and that's true. That's why you have 10 apps of airdrop on your phone, yet you don't have $1 drop into your account, because you are mining, you're participating in the fake airdrops. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find legit airdrop, the source where you can actually find them. Number 4, they are received in wallet, not exchange. Please don't make the mistake of dropping your wallet address in your exchange address. Exchange are something like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and the likes. Those are exchange. But when it comes to wallet are like Trust wallets. They are like also MetaMask and the likes. Those are wallets. So they are always received in wallets, most times not in exchange, so that it won't interrupt with your assets. They are not the same as mining coin. Yes, to be mining coin is entirely different from airdrop. When you are mining coin, you have to actually put a system in place in order to improve network. Well, I'm not able to talk about that in this video. Maybe next video. If you want me to talk about it, just write crypto mining in the comment section below. I'm going to talk about it. So airdrop most times require KYC and sometimes don't. But most airdrop, legit airdrop, require KYC. KYC simply means know your customer. They may require 1 or 2 of your identity. But in this requesting for your identity, doesn't mean that they're going to request for private identity, like your like your BVN number, like your what's called NIN number. No. Those things are not needed as far as airdrop is concerned. That may be needed in an exchange, maybe on Binance and the likes. Maybe you want to register, but not in airdrop. KYC just means maybe your just few things requesting as far as just to be sure that you are not duplicating yourself, and you are not trying to get the airdrop like twice or thrice. So just minor KYC may be required in rare cases, not in all cases. Now 7, airdrop is one of the easiest way to make money in cryptocurrency with zero capital. Yes, it's one of the easiest way to make money in cryptocurrency. Recent tweet about the project, or following them on Discord or the like. So these are what our airdrop 3 billion XLM to Bitcoin wallet holders in 2016. That also happened in 2016. They give it out to as many who are holding what's called Bitcoin, that are holding Bitcoin, because it's within their blockchain as well, was given to them. That as at that time, there are so many that has happened on Ethereum network. There are so many that has happened on XRP network. So there are different networks like that. It all depends on your blockchain and the kind of coin you are holding at that point. Another one we call is what we call early users or retroactive airdrop. Now, what is early users or retroactive airdrop? This most times happen on testnets or for early adopters. It happens most times on testnet network. So for example, anyone who traded at least $1 on DYDX, a decentralized exchange, prior to the launch of their token, were qualified for a $4,300 airdrops. Wow, imagine that users with more trading volume earn over 100k. Now this one also happened on Uniswap. For those who registered on Uniswap exchange early, receive also Uni airdrop. I mean, they released a lot of airdrop then. I mean, almost what $350 million of token were released for free, shared between all their users. I think some of you have heard about some exchange that come on board and say, okay, let's start our exchange. We are trying to start trading cryptocurrency on our exchange. So when you register, we're going to give you so number of coin for free. For instance, now just imagine when they were launching Binance, and I said, if you register on Binance, those early users are getting BNB for free. Imagine the worth of BNB today. I think a BNB today is over $600. So imagine you now getting 1 BNB for free for participating early or for registering early on Binance exchange. So that's how this early users airdrop works. So guys, I'll be stopping here so I'll call this video short. In the part 2, I'm talking about the 7 source where you can find legit airdrop. I can guarantee you, in this part of it, you'll be learning about different places where you can find legit airdrop with ease. I mean, these are sources that are not known to people. They are not all those sites you see everywhere. I'm telling you, okay, join this site, join this site, join this site, join this site. No, this one are legit proven where you can find legit airdrop. Join me in the next video, and I'll also be telling you the airdrop mistake you must avoid. Yes, it has cost us thousands of dollars losing on airdrop, just trying to make airdrop, and why you have multiple wallets yet you don't have any amount in your account. Yes, I'll be showing in the next video. So click on the link below, or click on the link that's showing right here on this video, and join the part 2 of this airdrop. Join me there. Love you guys. See you there.